let's be real for a second. Most digital invitations are, well, they're pretty forgettable, right? You get a quick email, it's some generic template, and poof, it's buried in your inbox. But what if your next invite wasn't just an announcement? What if it was an actual experience? Something immersive, nostalgic, and seriously cool? Well, today we're going to check out a tool that does exactly that. Okay, just look at this. Right off the bat, you're seeing what I mean. Now, this might look like a scene from a video game, but believe it or not, this is an invitation. It's a whole interactive 3D world your friends can explore, right in their web browser. Now that's a first impression that people are actually going to remember.
So you're probably wondering, how in the world do I make something like that? The tool is called 3D Classroom Pro, and here's the kicker. It's incredibly simple. It's all browser-based, which is just a fancy way of saying you don't need any special software or, get this, any coding skills. You literally just open a file and start creating. It's all the fun, creative power without any of the technical headaches.
Okay, so how do you go from a totally blank slate to a detailed classroom that looks like it's straight out of a memory? It all starts with building the foundation of your room.
And this is where you really see the magic. Check out the power of just a few simple choices. On one side, you've got that classic green linoleum floor look. But on the other, with just a couple of clicks, the floor is different, the walls are different, and the whole mood of the room is shifted. That's the kind of instant control you have to dial in the exact vibe you're going for.
And the level of detail you can control is pretty wild. You can start with presets for different eras, like classic 70s, or even an Eastern Bloc 80s style. And from there, you can fine-tune literally everything: the type of flooring, the style of the desks. You can even change the angle of the sunlight that's coming in through the windows. It's all about getting those little details just right.
So once the room feels just right, it's time to add the most important thing on any invitation. You know, the actual details of the event. And in this world, it all happens right on that classic chalkboard.
This is pretty much the main event. The chalkboard is your canvas. It's where you'll put the title, the date, the time, and any other messages you need to get across. It's the central focus of the whole scene, drawing everyone's eyes right where you want them.
And the whole process is super straightforward. You just fill out a few fields for your title, date, time, and your message. But here's the coolest part. The second you click that update button, your changes pop up live, right there in the 3D scene. There's no guesswork, it's just instant, creative satisfaction.
Okay, the foundation is laid, the details are on the board. Now it's time for the really fun part, bringing this whole classroom to life and setting the perfect vibe for your event. So you jump over to the decor panel and you can see how you build out the scene piece by piece. It's honestly as easy as checking a few boxes. You want a professor's desk? Check. A globe? Check. You can add maps, a bookshelf, all the little details that make it feel authentic and personal.
And this just nails the transformation. I mean, it's one thing to create a nostalgic classroom, but what if you're throwing a party? With just a few more clicks, you can turn on party mode. And bam, you've got balloons, animated confetti falling from the ceiling, the whole 9 yards. It instantly tells everyone this isn't just a memory, it's a celebration.
And to really put the cherry on top, you can dive into the atmospheric effects. You can add these subtle little particles of chalk dust floating in the air, or you can play with the angle of the sun to get these really dramatic shadows. These are those tiny details that make the whole scene feel so much more immersive and real.
So you've done it. You built your scene, you wrote your message, you set the perfect party vibe. The big question is, how do you get this awesome creation out into the world? Well, it's actually simpler than you think.
And this is where the techie side of things gets really, really impressive. Your final creation is a single HTML file that's only about 95 kilobytes. To put that in perspective, that's smaller than most photos you'd email. It has 0 dependencies, so your guests don't need to install a thing. They don't even need to be online to look at it once it's loaded. It just works on any modern phone or computer. It's a seamless, magical experience for everyone.
And the whole model is just fantastic. This isn't some monthly subscription. It's a simple one-time purchase. And because it all runs locally in your browser, your data is completely private. You can make and export as many invitations as you'll ever need, and they'll work everywhere. It's simple, it's powerful, and honestly, it's just built to respect your time and your privacy.
So when you see how easy it is to recreate a space that's so tied to all of our memories, it kind of leaves you with one final thought. A tool like this isn't just for making invitations. It's for crafting experiences and sparking that feeling of nostalgia. And it really makes you wonder, what memories, what moments will you choose to bring back to life?